chicken I'm using drumsticks. It look like it's about 12 of them in there. 6 in each pack. And this is my onions. Well, I love onions. Now look, I'm gonna put all. I got a jalapeno pepper in there, right there, and I got some mushroom. I love this right here, the jalapeno. That, and I'll be using that, and black pepper, onions, and kosher salt. I'll be using all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, and this is the rice I use, and it's this one right here. You need to try this. And here go my favorite mushrooms. Ooh, that's gonna be amazing. Watch you see it. Wait till you see when I get finished with it. You might try to make you some. You should make you some. I hope this lasts 2 days. I won't be cooking tomorrow. I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You'll love it. And especially for new beginners, I'm explaining the best way I can. But I appreciate all my supporters. Thank you. And I'll see you on my next video. Stay tuned. Bye.